We are pleased to show you the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, remote vehicle start, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, cargo net, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.